If I listen really, really carefully, I think I can hear you, and you don't sound very happy. So far, you've been used to drawing all the molecule, and it's been great. All of a sudden, I'm not drawing everything, and it's very confusing. Why am I leaving parts out? That's not the molecule. Let me try and explain by showing you a specific molecule. This is Taxol. I've drawn every hydrogen in it. I've drawn every lone pair in it. But it's a mess. You can't see the wood from the trees. I challenge you to try and reproduce Taxol based on this image. Not very easy. Let's see another way of drawing Taxol. Big difference, right? I'm sure with a little bit of effort you could all reproduce this image. It's a little bit like when you first learn to write. You'll write each individual letter, and then with time you start to write joined up. And that's the transition I think you're seeing here. As you get a little more advanced in chemistry, you'll learn a few more abbreviations, and so you even could end up writing Taxol in this way. So what's going on? Well, unless it's part of a mechanism, and that's an important caveat, we don't show carbon-hydrogen bonds unless the carbon and the other bonds are in a ring. You can see in this part of Taxol that's true, and you can see we have drawn the hydrogen. Carbons are shown by a change in the line direction. We don't mark the letter C. We also don't draw lone pairs. Here's a simpler molecule. We draw it in this clean line form, no lone pairs, and a lot of the hydrogens are missing. We don't draw it like this, and this is how you might have drawn it in the past. Last thing to note is that we always draw the positive formal charge and the negative formal charge. That information is key to working out what parts of the molecule we haven't drawn. For example, hydrogens that are being abbreviated.